so I'm starting with freshly washed hair. I will be using the Zoe Creations hair growth oil to go ahead and just moisturize my scalp, starting with my edges and just working my way through. And I focus strongly on my edges because I need my baby hairs. Okay, so now I'm just separating my hair, and I start with the oil, then I take just a small comb to detangle. I normally use a detangler, but either or, depending on how thick your hair is, a rat tail comb is fine. I then use the As I Am leave-in conditioner and just moisturize it in. Saturate. Then I use the Jackie's Don't Shrink, one of my faves. And I just pretty much saturate that in too with my curls and just pretty much finger comb everything else because it should be smoothed out by now. All right, so this part, all I'm doing is literally twirling it with my finger. I'm taking very small sections and just twirling it. You can start from the root and work your way all the way down. Me, I don't really start from the root, but this is definitely what helped my hair to be trained as curly as it is, in my opinion. But yes, small strands and just twirl. All right, so I'm now doing the other side, same method. Just wrap it around, twirl. Some people kind of view it as coils in a sense. It's similar, very similar. And I'm starting from the top here. Yes, baby, I'm tired. But I still gotta twirl. And this is an everyday thing for me at first. Eventually, my hair just begins to, form its own curl with just water and product. All right, so I'm laying those baby hairs. I'm not really a pro, but I'm getting better. All right, so everything's done. It's still completely wet. I'm gonna sit up on the dryer and I'll be back. All right, so after an hour and a half in that dryer, baby, I am finished, okay? It looks great. I love it. It's soft, it's fluffy, not flaky, not crunchy. I love it.